Hey guys, welcome to our review of Ocean Cay, MSC's Marine Reserve.
Or Ocean
Located in the Bahamas. Or Ocean, yeah, either one. However you want to say it, we'll say it with you.
I've heard them say it both ways.
Yes, we have. And we've been corrected both times, both ways.
No matter which way we say it.
But anyway, here we have been there. We started out there in 2021 in December. Then we went again in the May of 22, and we just finished going there not quite a month ago, or about a little. And we have a trip coming up where we'll be visiting again. This will be our fourth trip to Ocean Cay in just over a year. Mm-hmm. You know, let's take a look around. We got to eat on the island this time. We really enjoyed the buffet.
And one of the things that I did enjoy about Ocean Cay is that we do get to spend the night and overnight, and that leads to beach parties at night. It leads to a light show at the Lighthouse.
Lighthouse Bay, yeah.
So there are opportunities to stand out there and watch the sunset and the moonrise. So
yeah, and what's your little reference for this? What's your little R&R you call it?
Refreshing and relaxing.
That's what she calls this island. This island, it very much is.
It's definitely a more natural island than you're going to see in other areas. It's a new island. They just started working on it in 2015. It used to be a scrap island, and they cleaned it up, and they started working on it, and they started turning it into what it is today, which is a beautiful island. And the
reef is really coming along good. Yeah. We've even snorkeled here, and it's beautiful. Yeah. It really is. You can see this is where they keep all their water sports equipment. You got all these jet skis, and of course back here is it's the dorms, those that live on site. They are allowing them out on jet skis today. With what are some of our negatives about Ocean Cay? Because like I said, we got a fourth time coming up unless we're planning it out.
Okay, so remember, it's a newer island, and they're still working on it. Yeah. So they charge for the umbrellas that you use everywhere else on the island.
Not the very first ones that when you get off the ship, be over to your left, you can see. But where the lagoon is and further out. Mm-hmm.
You have to pay for those. And so my thought is until the sun, the palms grow up a little bit and you actually have some shade on the island, I think that they should offer those for free. Yeah,
because that's really what it's there. Because you do need some shade, but yes, and you do get the umbrellas all day.
Mm-hmm. So all day rental, and for those that get off the ship late, you may be able to get a free umbrella.
I was getting ready to say that was going to be a CME Traveling tip right there.
Yeah.
If you get off after 12, 1, 2, walk down through there. Nobody's at an umbrella.
Chances are they're not there.
They might come back and they'll just ask you to move, but that's if you want to save a buck.
And the reason we say that is we left our umbrella there because that's what you're supposed to do, and we never came back. And we probably used it maybe 30 minutes actually sitting under it after we got out of the water.
We was out in the lagoon most of it.
Most of the time we're out there in the lagoon swimming around. What's one of your dislikes?
To see them do more games out there on the...
like a beach party, music.
Well, they do the beach party night, but what I'm talking about during the day. Do a volleyball tournament, have the, what is that? Cornhole and stuff. Something more, I think they'll gradually get in activity-wise, yes.
Speaking of activities, they could also, if they're asking, add a pool.
That's number 3. That's our third one. For the those I kind of think maybe they're in a wish list, but
we're dreaming.
Yeah, most of these private islands do have pools, and they probably are going to build them. There's plenty of land there to develop, and I would say an adult pool, a family pool.
Hey, and in my mind, I'm picturing, like a Margaritaville on one side and a kids' play area on the other side.
Something like that. Whatever. So there's our negatives. Like she said, it is relaxing and refreshing. So let's go in here. Let's see what Marsha has found for me. Good. How are you doing? All right. Let's see what you found.
What'd you find? Is that for me?
Uh-huh.
Ah. I'll be real popular if I wear that now. Look at what Marsha found. So she just keeps finding and finding. Here's a towel. Bags.
And we had a lot of likes. Okay, so Kurt, what was one of your likes?
I see that, and I agree with this. Didn't know you wrote this down, but I like that they have many beaches. There is a beach, and they're opening more of them up. You know, you got the yacht club who's got their own beach and stuff like that. If you qualify for that, you know, even the people that work on board with us have their own beach,
so they can go and relax. For
you know, they can go about anywhere. But I think the lagoon is my favorite overall.
Yeah.
Other than my favorite hangout, though, I cannot
Lighthouse.
The lighthouse itself and the bar, the lighthouse bar. That view and everything, I don't care if it's in the morning, I don't care if it's late in the evening, because the sun will set behind you. If you're looking at the ship, the sun sets behind you when you're at the lighthouse.
Yeah, beautiful views.
And make sure you take that tour of that lighthouse too.
Yeah. One of the things that you miss out on if you don't take a tour of the lighthouse is some of the panoramic views and the shadow of the lighthouse going out. And just the picture of the ocean and the beach right there with that. It's a beautiful sight. Plus, it's really cool to see the snorkelers and the clear water.
It is.
It's
far
amazing.
Out you can see. Yes. Yeah, you can see all the way out there to where they have not a pirate ship. Listen to me.
A sunken ship.
A sunken. we did a sunken ship snorkel, and. You know, you can go out there. That's some of the most. It's hard to believe that as young as that island is, how much already growth they have out there on the coral, on the reef and stuff. But also, don't forget at night there's a lighthouse show, and you know if you've never seen one,
it's an amazing show, and there's a beach party afterwards, and it's a great party. Love it.
Certain time of year they have the JUNKANOO parade, and they lead you out all the way to the lighthouse, which is really cool. They don't always do that. There's only 2 times a year they do that. You can stay on the ship and watch the lighthouse show also. Yeah. We've never seen it from the ship.
No, we're always out there ready to do the dancing and stuff after the lighthouse.
Yeah. Marsha's out there doing that line dancing with everybody.
And the bars are open at night too. Your drink package is good for on board and on the island, so you can take advantage of that. And you're talking about people watching. That's a nice place to people watch.
Yes.
Fire pits out there for you to hang out around, to be able to watch the show. It's really amazing.
Yeah, there's a lot more we haven't participated in and done that they offer to do, whether it's at night or during the day. You know, they got the wave runners. And
these new electronic sailboat kind of things that we saw. We haven't tried them yet. But
there wasn't there until now. Yeah, that's new.
We're gonna be seeing those the next time we go. One of the things that we do enjoy is that when you get off, you walk straight onto the island. You get to see a beach to your left, and that is the beach that has the free umbrellas and free chairs. And Kurt, you know the name of that beach.
Yeah, that is Lighthouse Bay right there. Sorry, Lighthouse Bay Beach. There's a lot of bees there. As soon as we get off, we'll usually head over there sometimes. But then again, we've now really grown to really like the lagoon. Yeah. And
there's a bar on the way to the lagoon that we seem to gravitate toward every time that we go. And that's where we just sit and have a Blue Hawaiian.
Springer's Bar, and it opens at 11:30 a.m. and it's according to what day it is that you are there on the islands. Your first or second day is closing time varies.
Oh, I love this island. It is one of my favorite islands, and I enjoy going back to it over and over again. We've been shopping. We've looked around, got some video footage of the island, and now we're sitting here and look at the view behind us. You can't beat that view. I'm going to drink a Blue Hawaiian, and Kurt's going to have his usual Miami Vice, and it is the first drink like this that we've had all.
Yeah, I usually have already had one every day, a couple every day. No, I haven't had any. We're going to sit y'all down right here.
Yeah, our drinks are coming.
Those drinks are on the way right now, and you're welcome. Let me stop and then you film it.
There you go. Hey guys, look what we got. This is Dennis.
Which one for you? Which one for you?
Blue.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Boss after.
Okay. Look at that. It almost matches the color of the beautiful ocean behind us. Cheers. Yummy.
Very good.
It is a very breezy day on the island. There's no need to wear a hat because it won't stay on long. It's warm enough though that it feels great. We're finally relaxed. We're finally where we want to be with the beautiful sunshine and the nice wind. And
it's very windy.
Yeah.
It's almost too windy.
yeah,
but,
almost too windy.
You know, they canceled some excursions today. So anyway, we're okay. We didn't mind. We were going to do what's called a
Sunrise. Sunrise.
What is it?
Mimosa and sunrise suns.
That's what the name of the excursion is.
Excursion. So this is the bar. When you first get off the ship, you go straight, and the bar is going to be on the right. And you pass the excursion desk, you pass some of the shops, and you'll see it pop up. And it's one of our favorite bars on the island. They do a really good job on the drinks.
So it's getting lunchtime, and so we're going to head down here to
Eat us some jerk chicken.
some jerk chicken.
And
Yeah.
some cookies, I think, from what I remember.
Cookies?
Cookies.
Oh, dog, can't wait. So we'll show you what we get when we get down here.
We're serving Caribbean menu, sir. Caribbean food.
Good, good, good. Thank you. You got the...
Some pork ribs.
Appreciate y'all. What, CME Traveling?
Yes.
Yes, guys. You'll be on there. Yeah. Not a juicy wiener, Greg. Not. You would love that.
I will tell you that the food here on the island is delicious as well. We've done the buffet here. I highly recommend trying that jerk chicken here. It is delicious.
Yes.
Also, we did the seafood shack, which is an additional charge, and we tried a lobster roll, which I had never had before. And you got something too, Kurt. What'd you get?
I actually got the lobster roll.
What did I get?
Oh, yours was, Marsha got a, it's like a, it's not like a grilled cheese, but it's lobster.
Lobster grilled cheese. We definitely recommend trying it
Now
out.
that's an upcharge.
Yeah,
for
so
the
it was
lobster.
upcharge.
Yeah, it's
And,
not much. Like you get plenty. You get fries with it, slaw. You can see it's just a short walk back there to the ship.
You can get up early in the morning and
Mimosa
do a
breakfast.
mimosa. They'll take you out on a catamaran, and you get to watch the sun come up. So there's another thing. I haven't
Add that
done
to
it,
your
but
list.
I'd
We're
like to
gonna
do that
it.
one.
We're going to try that.
Yeah.
Sunset or sunrise, whichever you do.
Yeah.
You know, when you're out there playing on the beach and you get that sand on your feet and you feel like you never get it off until you're inside, they have a foot washing station
Yes.
before you go on. That's another thing that I haven't seen on many other ships.
This has to do with any ship out there that you're on that's going to Ocean Key. Something that's very, very important. If you want to see Ocean Key, you need to book a balcony room or an ocean view. You need to book it on the starboard side.
That's correct.
Because the ship, the only way it goes in there is it backs into there. And backing in, starboard's always going to be on that side towards the Ocean Key.
And you know one great thing about the fact that it backs in right there at that dock? You're the only one there. There's no room for any other ship to get there.
Not as of right
currently.
now. Currently, yeah.
And so you have the entire island. Your ship has the entire island to itself.
I definitely recommend.
We will be taking a longer
doing
trip
a
from
4-night, at the very least, a 4-night. Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed our review of Ocean Key.
And if you did, check out our other MSC Meraviglia and MSC Divina videos.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.